Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a charming little bag with a nice little close at the sides and an umbrella, a fancy umbrella. Now, I was inspired by actually my own umbrella. I have a black umbrella that has got white raindrops all over them and they react to water, and each single panel of them changes colour, so actually it creates a rainbow. But I've had butterfly ones in the past where it's a black umbrella with white butterflies on it, and then when it rains my butterflies turned purple, and I thought I could do the same here. Isn't that charming? Okay, so 2 pieces of paper. This is the one I'm going to use to make the bag itself, and this is the one I'm going to stamp on and punch because it's the Under My Umbrella bundle. Love it. I just love it. It's so much fun. Okay, so the piece of paper, 6 by 6, 15 by 15 centimetres. On the first side, doesn't matter which side, first side, score it at 2.5 and 3.5. That's 6 and 9 centimetres. And on the second side, score it at 1 and 5, which is 3 and 12. Okay, so grab a bone folder. So this is the best dressed paper, or is it called well dressed? Well dressed, best dressed. It's just gorgeous. I love it. I really love it. And so I've burnished all of that, and what I want to do now is pinch this corner here, so it's not the square, it's into here, and just use your fingers to manipulate it, and you're bringing it round like that. Okay, and I'm pinching it between my middle finger and thumb, which happen to be the ones that are holding it in place. So you're getting that score line there. It's not really one that you can measure particularly well and use a ruler on. So I just find my finger and thumb. So you can see these are called tight edges when they're a score line, and this is called a loose edge. So what you're doing is you're lining up one tight edge to the next and bringing it round, and then I'm pinching with my fingers in there. And the same, so tight edge to tight edge. And easy peasy, just like that. You can come in and reinforce it with your bone folder if you want to. So just like that. What I'm going to do now though is come the other way. What I want this to do is go over there. So I'm just sending my scored line that I've pinched with my fingers the other way round. Can you see that? Just like that. And that's how you get that nice pretty little bottom. So it's just like that, easy. Right, so there's a few bits to put a glue on, and I'm going to suggest that you use mini glue dots for one part. Where's my paper here? So use this one. And it's at the top of the outside edge there. Sorry, the top of that little square in the middle, because that's going to fold over like that. And that one is going to fold over the same way, and it's going to catch in place. So that's all you need to do on there. Then you need to run some glue down this bit. Okay, so it's this bit here, from here to here. You don't want to be slapping it all over, because, well, you could do, because it's going to go over there. But it's this bit you want to put glue on. So I'm just going to grab my tear and tape, because it's here and it's handy. And just fold it round and line up your edges. Just like that. And peel off the backing first. And just like that. See? It's got a nice edge, it's a little bit different. And then we're going to pinch it there, and I'm going to use my lovely lipstick because that is the colour that's in here. Grab some scissors. And I'm going to tie a bow, and I don't mind that it's on the side because I'm going to move it. The bow's currently at the bottom of the bag. Okay. And wibble it all the way to the top. Not a problem. There we go. Right, so stamping, punching. So I'm going to grab this part of my umbrella onto there, and I'm going to use Stays On. And I'm just going to hover it over until I find a bit I'm happy with, where I'm going to get lots of flowers, and there we go. I am good with that one. And I can punch that out. Beautiful floral umbrella. I've got some Whisper White for the handle. Although, to be fair, I probably don't need to stamp the handle, but what I wanted to share was, because it's photopolymer, it can wibble. So just let it relax on your grid paper first before you pick it up and stamp it. And double check which way round your punch is. And that's about that angle, isn't it? I probably should have punched it. I should have stamped it over that side. Shouldn't I? Because I'm now going to punch a load of Whisper White that I don't need to punch. But that's all. It's okay. I make the mistakes so you don't have to. Okay. So my little umbrella. What I'm going to do is put a mini glue dot. I love a mini glue dot. Told you. In right at the centre point, right on the edge. Right on the edge, so that I can get my umbrella handle on there, and that is well that would be the bit of cardstock I didn't need. Okay. What a wally. I'm so pleased I can laugh at myself. Now I've got a really pretty umbrella. I'm going to giggle about this for the next half hour. Right. Okay, let's use some edge of a dimensional. Because, you know, waste not, want not. Oh, that's just so much fun, isn't it? I love that. And then... so there are a couple of sentiments. There's hello sunshine, rain or shine, you're always on my mind, showered with love, no matter the weather, we're friends forever, life showers bring love's flowers, and it's your day. I liked the hello sunshine, but I also like it's your day, which is that one. And again, just let it relax for a minute. I want to get some flowers on. So it's your day there. And there are these gorgeous little flowers on here. I think I'll go with this. Oh, actually, that's quite big. That's okay. I don't mind. Big is good. I'm sorry, I've got very noisy bracelets today. That's far too big. Ugh, I don't like that. Too big. I want smaller flowers. Where are they? That's these ones. Little flowers. Little flowers require a little block. That's better. I like that better. And I'll take it around that word there. And I'm going to cut a big chunk of that off using my mini trimmer. Love my mini trimmer. So I really only want the flowers, but higher than I wanted, but there we go. It's such a tiny piece. Okay, and oh, I should not have used stays on with blends. That's okay, I'll use my pencils. So I'm just gonna colour in a couple of these flowers in totally the wrong colours, but it's okay. I'll have a hot pink as well. And I want a dark green. Is that garden? No, that's not even a green. There we go. Oh, I've not zoomed in. So what I've done is I'll come back over again. With watercolour pencils, I've just kind of scribbled on them. And then you come in with a blender pen. Where is my blender pen? I should have about 4 of them. Oh, on the desk in front of me. And the blender pen is going to do the blending part for me. It's going to soften all of these colours down. And to clean it, you just scribble off. That's going to move that pink about, and that one. Scribble off to clean, and then the bits of green. Brilliant. I'm going to zoom back out again to stick it back onto the project. And more dimensional edges. Oh. Onto the front. It's your day with Hello Sunshine. Oh, I did that in basic grey. Didn't do that in black. I like it in black. What do you think? Beautiful. I want an umbrella that looks just like that one now, or like that one, or in fact both. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I'm a mess. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.